Hi all.
Good morning, everyone.
Today Diamond and I went out for a little fishing with ultralight gear. It's 5 a.m. The weather is wonderful, guys. It's cool. And there's a thick fog. Right now, we'll show you along the way. And we're heading towards our favorite little river.
And there we'll add a kunin. Guys, they always fix the roads before the elections. This always happens to us. Sometimes it's the bridges, sometimes it's the roads. So, I don't know. Write in the comments which country you're from, and maybe it's the same for you. It's bureaucracy, guys.
Well, let's talk about something nice. Friends, what a wonderful nature we have. You can especially see this early in the morning, when there are few people and nature lives on its own. So I suggest you watch this wonderful video where there will be lots of beautiful shots. Enjoy! So friends, we're getting our fishing gear ready. Recently I got myself a little box. It's just wonderful. They seem to be for construction, right, Demon? But for everything else, Intertool. But let's say they're much cheaper than fishing ones, because my old one can't fit the gear anymore. And you can conveniently pack everything into these boxes just the same. I haven't packed it up yet, and here I have already taken out the reel. And all the consumables, you know. Small, nice. A lot of compartments, so it's just crazy. Today I'm going to fish in a little stream, on tungsten 1.5 grams. I have size 10 hooks today. These tiny little guys, ultra light, just one. Where are you going, brother? Guys, Diamond, I think you got a bit carried away today, didn't quite calculate the weather, you know. I really should have worn pants because it's really cold today. But he came out like a champ and took off now. Dubain is walking around. Did it get really cold, bro? Now we're going to have some coffee. But where are we going to find it in the woods? Who knows? Friends, recently I told you about Pavel's channel. Pavel's Fishing TV, where Pavel films about huge carp and talks about how to catch them, what to fish with. So right now Pavel is holding a contest where the main winner will get a whole 10 kilograms of bait. The link to Pavel's channel will be in the description below. Go ahead guys, subscribe. Subscribe to Pavel's channel and participate in the giveaway of 10 kilograms of bait. He will also have a video of him catching, well, I don't know, these oceanic carp, really trophy ones, weighing 15 kilograms or more, friends. That's why there's always something interesting on his channel, something to learn and something to watch, so to speak, with a cup of tea and a pastry on a nice evening. Just like that. All friends, we are on our favorite micro river. Now we will try to fish here, and today I want to do something simple. A heartfelt fishing video just like you love, showing how you go out fishing. It's going to be really straightforward and useful. Yeah, friends, we didn't expect it, but there might be a lot of grass here. It's been a while since we've been here, and everything has overgrown, and over there, there's more grass too. That's the only spot where you can make a cast. This is where Diamond just cast from, right on this side of the bridge. You can make a cast there between the grass. Yeah, just a little bit between the grass, and over there, there's some guy in a boat. It's already swimming. He's trying, apparently, something to throw at pike or some other fish. But we'll stay here. Friends, since early morning the wind has picked up, and I don't know if we'll be able to fish with ultralight gear weighing 1.5 grams. I'm specifically using the lightest weights and small lures right now to understand how the perch behaves. Let's try the grass by the growth. Right under the bridge like this, down, let's make a cast here. Between the planks, drop it down and just jig vertically. We're dropping it down, touch the bottom and just gently trying. The main thing is that there shouldn't be any grass on the bottom in this spot. Both are here, Diamond. Right away, look. Under the bridge, a perch bit right away. From the very first cast. I think it is. That's really great. Here it is. Not big, but here it is, it bit. Buddy! Buddy! I'm going to wear sunglasses today because the sun is shining really bright. We're casting it. We're releasing it back just like that. And we'll do it in this spot with you. Another cast. I really don't know. I love this kind of fishing like this. Let's drop it down here now. Vertical, so to speak, because it always piques my interest. Whoa, Dima, I caught a pike. Small one, right? Good. Look, it's splashing. Watch out. Don't break it. Both.
I hit it so hard and I thought it was a crocodile.
Well, of course, it shows how great it is when a pike takes an ultralight rod. It takes it quietly. So it doesn't fall, thank God. She takes it from the edge. So guys, she takes it from the edge. And, so to speak, the fluorocarbon doesn't get cut at this moment. Look and see, in the drunkenness, she's down there. You see, the drunkenness will give, and the pike. But it's already quite active. Now we'll carefully take it out. Here's a little pike.
I'm just giving it, not bothering anyone. I cast it under the bushes with 2 hands. I thought it was a 2-kilo fish, and it even pulled in a second one a bit, and the first feeling was like it was a 2-kilo. And that's the only way she sits there.
Because the theory is ultralight on ultric. So it seems, guys, that's the real thrill of ultralight. That's why we love it. Dimas, you can catch not just perch but also small pike. It swam away.
Whenever we go fishing, we always stop by this spot. This is our Serioga, our beloved one, and Serioga loves us very much. But today it's a bit weak here, and we'll probably head to other spots, and most likely we'll set out on the boat. We set off on the boat.
There's so much grass, and it's so dense that birds can even walk on it, picking out all sorts of bugs and worms. Indeed, friends, I really love this place. It's great to fish here, especially in the fall. But right now, unfortunately, there's a lot of grass. We might move to fish from the boat, but before that, I want to walk a bit further. There are still a few interesting spots where we can give it a try. Half from the shore. So we came to the beach with Dima. We're fishing from the beach. It's shallow here, let's move further out. Don't scare the spikes. Looks like I got one right away. What are you doing here? You still have a pack until... Look. Good. Hey, also from the edge, on the first cast. Just a small... Oh. Let's there. It's fine. As you can see, friends, fish can be right by the shore, so always check even the spots that aren't too far away. Just drop it right at your feet. 2 to 3 meters from the shore is a promising spot for perch. If there's any depth under the grass or under the roots, perch can be found everywhere. Now I'll show you that in such places, in these narrow bays, there's actually quite a lot. Perch. A little perch, do you have anything there? You stood up incorrectly, Demon. Stand right here. Look, there's a passage. This is exactly a little beach spot. And the little beach spot. You can, but why do you need it? Just, why? You just stand here and cast. I'll try now. Squeeze through. There is a little perch. Not bad. Dima. I found where it's splashing around. Are you going to Tekinu so as not to let go? We decided to catch the guys from the shore for now. Sweet ones we still don't want to. And collecting, you know, lazy wee guys will now fish here on this micro river. Another one, so to speak, a bay. Small. Another cast. You need to cast right from the edge here because if you cast further, frogs might sit on it. And a similarly small pinpoint cast. With these micro retrieves, you can see the perch chasing. A little cast with these micro retrieves, you can see the perch chasing it. Damn. It was because the fish scatter in the water. You can see the micro school here, where the fish are starting to scatter. You need to cast right away at those splashes. I might be shouting right now, you know, loudly. It's not biting here, but I'll give it a try like this. You can sit down. Let's stay quiet and hidden here. And slowly, we're barely pulling it in. The bait, we're doing micro twitches along the bottom. It's not taking the bait, right here along the shore, under the grass. And definitely with pauses. A short retrieve in such places, there's a lot of vibrations. You make some movements. About those homegrown tomatoes. Thanks, bro. So we have some pastries. These are with apples. That's for later. A pastry with cabbage, a pastry with potatoes. Crush that potato. And I'll crush it myself. Great with homegrown tomatoes. It's awesome after fishing. Let's go. It swam away. We'll try to get it. Come on, let's go. To the right, come to me, come to me, come to me. Yeah, it's all done already. I cast it. Come on, catch it. Probably a big fish. You think it's a perch or maybe it's the wind? What, did the live bait get pulled away? Hello guys, I enjoy watching you. Your channel. Yes. Do you see how it turned out? Did we help you? Grandpa, are you taking the bait? Sergey, bye. Do you have a mormishka? No. You have a jigging spoon? Thank you very much. I wish you plenty. Thank you. Yeah, what? A bite. Something's there, yeah. So there is... Well, that's right. Well, that's great. Diamond caught another one. A new spot. Friends, our fishing trip has come to an end. Today was tough. The bite was poor, but nevertheless, with our combined efforts, we managed to catch something. We're finishing up now in a crowded place. The last spot was for today. This was the bridge where we usually fish at the dam. People are doing better on live bait. With silicone lures, they say it was really bad today. So we did pretty well together. The main thing is to change spots, change lures. If you have favorite gear, always fish with it. Good luck to you all. May you always have a good catch, guys. Bye, everyone. Subscribe, like, and comment, right, Demon? Yeah, that's it. Scary.